love muffins. It's your girl DizastrousBeauty, and I am coming back with a voiceover. So the unit I will be rocking in this video was sent to me by Shein. Shout out to you, Shein, for coming through with the come through. Now this unit is pre-cut. As you guys can see, it does have two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. So right here, I'm kind of showing you guys what old girl looks like without any adhesive. Okay, old girl is doing her thing. But the best part about this unit is it's Bogo, honey, meaning buy one, get one free. All you have to do is go to the search bar and type in wig 11, as you guys see I am doing on the screen. And as you guys can now see, you see all the buy one, get one free wigs, okay? Honey, Shein be coming through with the come through. I've been telling you guys, do not sleep on Shein human hair wigs, honey, because they're not only affordable, they're cute. Like, girl, look at this wig. I love this unit. I love the color. You cannot beat this with a stick. So definitely cop you one. Cop you one while they have this sale going on. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally.
All right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so this wig was sent to me by Shein. Yes, you heard me right, girl. Shein, I kid you not. This is a human hair wig. It is a wear and go 6x4 glueless lace wig. And it says you can use the code Shein wig, and I don't know if that's the code for the Bogo. I will have all of that. I should have already had all the information for you guys to see somewhere in the beginning. But the wig that I am wearing is their Wear and Go Silky Body Lace Wave Wig in brown golden highlight 6x4 HD lace, glueless, pre-plucked and pre-cut. And it is 180% density, and you can get it in 22 to 28 inches. I have it in, I think I have it in 26. Let me clarify, girl. Yes, I have it in 26 inches, and the color is S3/14. Okay, so those are all the details and specs. Now, with this wig, I did not have to put in a whole lot of work. I did have to add some curls, but you guys know I live for a good closure, okay? And to me, this unit does not really require any adhesive. I had showed you guys somewhere in the video how it looked without any adhesive. I just got stuff to do today. So I like to have my adhesive. It just makes me more comfortable. But if you don't need it, girl, I don't really feel like it's necessarily necessary, okay? It came pre-tweezed. I didn't do this, honey. It woke up like this. All I did was add the baby hair, and I didn't even cut layers, now that I think about it. I didn't even cut layers. All I did was add my little baby hair and curl the unit. That's it, that's all. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it does shed a little bit. It's nothing to write home about, but it is a blonde unit. I don't know if it's coming off as blonde on camera as it is, but it is a blonder unit. I did expect some shedding because that's just a thing. But it was nothing to write home about, and it is not tangly. So shout out to you, Shein, for that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as for 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all. So you guys know I like to start with the cons, but I like to end on a high note. The only con that I could even think of with this wig would be that, y'all got 5 minutes. The only con that I could think of, I don't feel like it's 26 inches. Is it me, or am I tripping? Now, I am 5'4". You guys will get a full 360 and a length check. I personally don't feel like it's 26 inches, and that's the only con that I could think of with this wig. As far as the pros, you guys, like I said, that closure, honey, it does it for me every time. I love that it's pre-plucked. I love the color. I love the curl. I love everything about this unit. Like, those are all my pros. Yes, I would definitely personally recommend this unit. I feel like this unit is gorgeous. It is affordable, extremely affordable for a human hair wig. So yes, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Here it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound out down below in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this wig, if you're feeling it as much as I am. Shout out to you again, Shein, for sending me this unit, and shout out for the sales, honey. Bogo, I love a Bogo. I love a Bogo sale. And yeah, y'all, if you are interested in purchasing it, I will have it the link down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bucks next time. Bye.
Your love complete.